Hey folks, let's check what do you need to focus on. And this is pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Choose any one pile, which calls out to you intuitively. And if you feel like two piles are calling out to you, you can choose both and look for the other message as well. Maybe you'll have some hidden guidance or message. So yeah, choose anyone. I'll help you out. And this is Mozagate. Okay. Yeah, this is Moza Gate and it is beautiful. Okay. You have this blue specks here, Can you check? Yeah. Okay. So this is Moza Gate and this is Tiger Eye. This is Tiger Eye. And then this is Rose Quartz. Yes. Now choose any one which calls out to you intuitively. Any of those three. They all the three are beautiful. Okay. I have given the timestamps below in the description column. You can fast forward to the duration which you want to see, which you want to get the guidance for, and yeah. So pile number 1, you chose this beautiful Mosagate. Okay. So this is nice, and you're asked to not worry and don't feel anxious that nothing is happening right now. You might be feeling stuck, or you might be feeling like nothing is happening in your favor. And I feel like some of you guys who have chosen this pile, I feel like some of you guys would have been betrayed by their lover or by any of their client or partners, something like that. I can feel even any family members or somewhere you might be feeling like you have been betrayed, but this was your God's plan. Do not think that why is this happening with me only. Somewhere it was your God's plan to happen in a certain way, so that you could make a great future, so that the toxic and negativity goes out of your life, and you could make way for good things. Okay, so I'll just keep this over here, and I have pulled cards from the Rider Waite, and we have got 6 of Wands here. That this is nice, and then we have got the Death card here. Something ended abruptly. You feel like why did it end, and why did this happen with me, and something really. Okay, I'm seeing a butterfly here. I don't usually see over here near my window, but I'm seeing a butterfly. I feel like there was a transformation which is about to happen. Something good is gonna come, like a level of your life has been ended, and the next level is gonna give you a lot of blessings. And as I'm getting 6 of Wands here, it also speaks for the victory card, and something good is coming in your way. So don't feel like you have been betrayed, or you have like something ended or did not work out or your way. And this is 8 of Wands, a lot of opportunities, communication, clients, meeting people, socializing, and being the talk of the town. Like many things are going to happen, so this is nice. So you need to focus on the brighter side, that things ended in a really bad way, but it gave a way, it cleansed your path, so that good things could come inside your life, could come in your life. Okay, again we have 8 of Wands. I have you have drawn to this card a lot, so it feels like you must mostly focus on meeting people or communicating with them, mostly socializing them, because I feel like if you isolate yourself enough, and if you will be anxious or worried, like social anxiousness, that why should I meet, oh my god, all over again, I can't do it. Please don't do it, because I feel like your angels, your spirit team, your ancestors, your guides, your God, your ascended masters, everyone wants you to, socialize as much, because some blessing is awaiting there. Okay, again we have this 8 of Wands card, guys. Okay, so next we have 5 of Swords. As I said before, 5 of Swords mostly, speaks about getting cheated on, or betrayed by someone, or mostly someone who was close to you made fun of you or bullied you, or daunted. I could feel the vibe that you've been through a lot of shit in your past, and yes, that is fine, because you need to cleanse that. You need to focus on cleansing all those past energies, let go of those past energies, and focus upon socializing as much as you can. You have to show your brighter side to the world, guys. You are capable of a lot of things. You have a really good skills, of communicating, keeping your opinions and making your point. And you should do this. You should socialize as much as you can. You should show the world that you are, amazing. You are amazing. You have to show them that. And we have got the Ace of Swords again. A new beginning is gonna come by your side. A clarity is gonna come. I guess through this video you'll get some conclusion or clarity why this thing ended in a really abrupt way. You'll get some conclusion or clarity. And I feel like, seeing this card, I feel like something, as this card has a different meaning, but I get this vibe like something is waiting for you. Like it is only and only for you, and it's been, standing there and waiting there, but somewhere you are not able to grasp it. Okay, somewhere, you're feeling anxious, somewhere you're overthinking stuff, and somewhere you're assuming it that wouldn't work out. Maybe there is some decision that you have to be, you have to make, and you are thinking, I'll stay patient, but your angels or your spirit team, your guys are telling now or never. So it is waiting for you. And I guess through this video, like, take what resonates, guys. This is a general reading and many people are watching this. So I feel like, if some of you people have something, maybe it could be a career path, an opportunity, a business opportunity, an investment, starting your new business or something, it has been waiting for you. And if you don't start it now, if you don't go through it, if you have some passion that is, you are keeping it inside, and you're thinking like baad mein, like later, and we'll try it later and not now. And so the cards are, the cards, and I feel the vibe, and your angels are like, now or never, dude. Come on, now this is the revival time of yours. Do not linger into your past, and do not stick with that past of yours. And make sure you cleanse your way from the past. And yeah, let all the good things come into your life. Okay, like whatever happened in the past won't repeat. If you feel confident enough, if you have this, if you trust yourself that you could do it, if you do that, the past thing won't repeat. And because of the fear of the past which is going to repeat, you'll only be hanged, you'll only be stuck. But you need movement, right? If you are going to be stuck, how can movement be possible? You are asking for some movement in your life, but somewhere you are not getting this movement because of you only. The universe is asking, if you need the movement, get up, dude. Come on, do it. You have your ideas, you have your plans. Act upon your ideas, act upon your plan. So that is what you need to focus on. And yes, we'll check up. I've got the goddess deck, and we'll see what are the blessings that is gonna come in your way. Okay, we'll check that. Wait a minute. Okay, so pile one, blessings coming in the way. Pile one. Yes, see this. We have got the Pashuram card, and this is such a beautiful thing. This is like, owning your power and being confident enough to act upon your ideas and plans. I'm sorry. And, this is like, you know the direction, you know the path. As I'm seeing the card, I feel like you know how to go and where to go. But it's just your mind manipulating you how to start, how to do it, how to go by that. But deep down, your inner voice knows it, your intuition knows it. You know that how to go by. You know how to start. Why don't you, write up, dude? Why don't you let your ideas, flow in the paper? Just do it, because blessings are coming in your way. And, look at this over here. Ultimate justice for all. Somewhere you feel like the justice wasn't given by you as you were betrayed, and justice will be served, no issues. And you have really great skills, and you have this warrior spirit inside yourself. So just embrace that, and I feel good things are gonna come. Good things are really gonna come. So yeah, So this was your God Goddess deck, and let's check what are the letters you get. I'll close my eyes and we'll see. Okay, one letter fell down. See through your soul. See what you need. Okay, we'll check more. Wait a minute. I'll just anything else. Anything else. Okay. We have another C, guys. Wait. Um, so we have a C. We have an X. We have Y. We have R. We have T. We have C again. We have I. We have O. We have D. We have Q again. We have L. So what words can you make from all these things, all these letters? What can you make? Hmm. I feel like I could make T I D. You can see, right? Tidy. Okay. Tidy. Cleanse your mind. Okay, cleanse your mind, guys. And anything else? If you're getting, we have two C's, guys. Two C's. Okay, you can see if you have your initial, your name or your last name here, but I'm getting tidy here. You could make more words and drop it into comment section below, and you could help other people as well who are who chose pile one, and we'll check anything else if we get. You got tidy and. Mm, we don't have P, right? Okay. Also, I feel like you have this I, so prioritize yourself. You have got this I, and it is like you need to focus on yourself rather than focusing upon what happened in the past. Focus on yourself. It is important, and mm, yeah. If you can make another words, do let me know, guys. And yeah, you can see, right? Yeah. So I'll pull out some other words too. Wait. You got the N and N and N again. Oh my god, a lot of N. So feel like most of you guys' name would start from N or something. And we have V, we have E. So we have CODE code. Like something is happening, something you are getting, but you're not receptive enough to grasp that. Okay, you need to take care of that, and there is some code running. Okay, you need to listen to your intuition. Okay, so anything else? Yeah, okay. So this was your reading pile one. Okay, wait. We'll see numbers as well. If you could, make more words and stuff like that, please drop down in the comment section below. I'll be happy to read them. Because, yeah, brainstorm, guys. Brainstorming is good. Okay, so we'll check with the numbers now. And, yeah. Let's see what angel numbers you get. Oh my god. Okay, you're getting 4, 8 and 2. I knew you would get 8. Okay, 4 as in you are protected and guided. Your angels, your your Lord, your God, your ascended masters, your spirit team, your ancestors are everyone around you and protecting you and supporting you. Okay, don't let those negative energies attack your spirit team. So you have got the two here. I feel like as I'm seeing two, there are chances, someone would come in your life. It might be a relationship, it might be a friendship, it might be a teacher, it might be a master, it might be someone who is going to give you, comfort, understanding, and good things in your life. I've got the 8, and 8 is like the infinity, so the abundance is gonna come, a lot of good things are gonna come. Okay, if you add all these, you'll get 14, and 14, 1 plus 4 is 5, so 5 is a big change is gonna come. So yeah, embrace the change, embrace yourself, everything is gonna be great. Pile one, please do like, share and subscribe, and comment below how you liked it, whether you resonated with pile one or not, and please share it to your friends and your family, because they might need guidance as well. And show some love, guys. Okay, thank you. So pile number 2, you people chose a lovely tiger eye. This is really beautiful. I personally and genuinely love this crystal. This is tiger eye. It asks you to, boost your confidence and, attain your power and, make some efforts. Okay, so yeah, control yourself. I feel like somewhere I feel something really is going in your mind, something which you don't have control on. You feel like not thinking. Take what resonates, guys. This is general reading and a lot of people are watching. Take what resonates. I feel like, okay, a lot of quarrel, a lot of conflicts, a lot of I'm feeling a lot of messed up things are coming in your mind. Your mind is a mess right now, and yes, so there is some kind of disharmony happening. You're not at peace. Okay, so you need to focus upon, taking care of your own self. I feel like this pile is asked to take care of their own self and, have a peaceful life right now. Make sure their mind is at peace. You genuinely need it. So let's see what cards you were drawn to. We have got the King of Cups over here, and I feel like you are sensitive and emotional, but somewhere you are giving more than you receive it. There is no balance, whether it's in any relationship. It could be a lover's relationship, husband and wife, or family relationships, or business relationship, partnership, or anything, client or relationship or anything. Somewhere you're giving more than receiving. Take what resonates, guys. Which aspect of your relationship is, where you're giving the most and you are not getting it. You're not getting the love that you deserve. You're not getting the respect that you deserve. You're not getting the reward that you deserve. Somewhere this is happening in your life. You're the only one who is making all the efforts, and somewhere, you're lacking the rewards. Okay, you're sharing a lot. So, I feel like somewhere genuinely, uh, I feel like your spirit team is asking you to look upon yourself, show some love to yourself, take credits, take those rewards all for you, treat yourself, spend time with yourself, spend money on yourself. Okay, treat yourself well, guys. You are really sensitive and emotional, and you do not have to take care of every individual. They could take care of themselves. You need to take care of your own self, guys. Okay, focus upon yourself more. So the only thing you are asked to do right now is focus upon yourself. Focus on yourself. What you need to focus on? Yourself. Okay, now I'm being okay, weird. Five of Swords we have got. I feel like people around you are taking advantage of you. Somewhere, many people, have taken advantage, maybe in your past, or maybe they are now as well. Somewhere, you are letting them take. It's not. See, look, only if you let them take advantage of you, they will. Do not blame them because they, misused you or they used you. You let them, you let them take advantage. You were keeping your arms open. Come on, take me, use me, take my advantage, and you need to stop that shit. You literally need to stop that shit, and you need to focus on yourself. Close those doors where you're not respected. I feel like mostly, I feel like, sacral chakra, no, solar plexus chakra and manipura is at cleansing here. Somewhere that you need to walk out where you're not being served with respect and love. You need to know your own worth, your own value. You're asked to focus upon yourself, your value. Do not let other people misuse you or take your advantage, guys. Okay, this is what I'm getting. And the third card that you were drawn to is Five of Wands. A lot of conflicts. I also feel like in the future there are chances you will fight with someone. But that fight is gonna be good. I get this vibe. Somewhere there is a chance in the future you will fight for your freedom. You will take stand for yourself. You will fight for something that you need. That is a good thing. It could be in any relationship, it could be in any family issues, or any business, or any client, any relationship, guys. Take what resonates. And somewhere you are feeling like you're living in a room which is tied up. Somewhere you are the only one who is making all the efforts, and you are being used. And somewhere when you'll take stand for yourself, like what you need and what do you want in your like in your life, really what do you want. And when you think about that, when you'll take stand for yourself, somewhere people wouldn't like it because they are not used to fighting with you for some reason that you want. Okay, like they are not used to be seeing this side of yours where you are being, they'll call you selfish. Yes, guys, that is not selfish. You are not harming them, you are instead protecting yourself from their negative vibes. That is not selfishness, that is protecting yourself and selflessness that you have been doing a lot. Okay, so you need to take care, you need to stand for yourself. That is not selfishness. I feel like many people would be abused, like you're being selfish now, and stuff like that. And but that time, do not feel heavy, do not feel like oh my god, am I, don't doubt yourself at that point, because you are selfless. Okay, and taking care of your soul is not selfish, guys. You need to say no when you feel like. It's not always you're gonna say yes. Stand for yourself, fight whomever comes in your way, because at the end of the day, it's only your soul which is gonna be with you. So prioritize your own self. Okay. So this is what I feel like you need to focus on, and this is what you should do. And I've got you were drawn to Three of Pentacles in the Egyptian card. I feel like efforts. You need to make efforts for your own self. Efforts are needed here, guys. Okay, some efforts that you need to make yourself feel loved and respected. The thing about you is, like, you have done a lot good deeds for other people, and somewhere you feel like I haven't got that respect and love that I deserve in my life. So, your guides, your spirit team is telling you, why are you looking out to them? You are good and you are great at giving to other people. Why don't you give this love and respect to your own self? Why do you have to seek validation from other people, other guys, other, those toxic asses? Why do you need validation from them when you could be better? When you're so good at giving, why don't you pour pour all those good vibes on your own self. Okay, so make efforts on yourself, guys, and this is what you need to focus on. We have got the justice card. Yeah, somewhere, giving and receiving should be in a balance, but somewhere there is an imbalance. You not prioritizing yourself is like injustice doing to yourself. So make sure you give justice to your own worth, and it's amazing. Know your worth, guys, and have some time for your own self. Okay, yeah, you need to focus on yourself. Yes. And the next I've got is the 10 of swords. Okay, you might be feeling dead, or you might be feeling betrayed, or you might be feeling backstabbed, but your spirit team assures you, yeah, it's okay, it happened. Something, some lesson, some karmic lesson was there for you to learn, and somehow through this video, you're now gonna recover, revive, and rebirth. So make sure now at least you know your worth, you know your value, and don't let the other people take advantage of you or use you. And yeah, so yes, and I feel like most of this, I feel like in this pile, most of people in your life are jealous and envious of you. I feel that. Okay, I feel like as I'm seeing this, people are, oh my God, this man or this woman has a lot of capabilities. I'm so jealous. I need that person in under my control. I can't let them go. So I'll manipulate them into thinking that they are selfish, or they should be emotionally available for us, emotionally or financially or anyway. You're getting my point, what I'm trying to say. It's just they wanna chain up to them, they wanna hang you to them, that because somewhere they feel they are not capable enough to do it in their own, and somewhere that is that is bothering you a lot, but somehow you're not taking this step because you're thinking, what if they think that you are being selfish? No, hun, no, you're not being selfish, you are being true to your own soul. You have been really good the past few years. Now is the time to prioritize your own soul, which is sobbing in the corner and waiting for you to offer a hand. Come on, do it. Okay, so we'll check the words now. Yeah, no, no, no. First, yeah, yeah, sorry, sorry. We'll check the blessings that are gonna come in your way from the Goddess deck. I love this deck. I've got it yesterday only, and yeah, let's see which what blessings are coming your way. Okay, wait. I'll do. I'm taking a lot of time because the people have a lot of negative energy which needs cleansing. Pile two blessings. Okay, you have got the Chandradev over here. I've got the moon god. Okay, the moon god, and look at this, guys. Purification of the blood, nourishment of the crops, subduing mental ills and anxiousness. Yes, anxieties. You need to stop worrying and overcoming pessimism and madness. Okay, you getting my point? Overcome all those fears. Overcome thinking negative what other people would think about you. And these are the blessings which are gonna come in your way, and it's gonna be great. You'll grow. You'll really grow once you start putting yourself first. Okay, let's see what letters you're gonna get. Wait. wait a minute. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm seeing a whiteboard here and we have got an R. This might be, yeah, I feel like rebirth, revival, reborn. Wow, white pigeon. Okay, okay, we have got Q, we have got G, we have got U, we have Q again. Somewhere you guys are questioning a lot. G, U, R, P, and anything else. Okay, something fell, that is H. Okay, we got M, G, Y, C, and C again, and H again. Okay, okay, wait. The Z was fallen down. Okay, so I feel like make words, make those words, and see if you have your name here or your initial or your last name. And so, guys, what are the words that you could make? I could make one, and that is GUM, gum. You need to stop being attached to people who do not serve you. So that is what I'm getting, you know. And anything else? If you're getting, okay, this pile is a lot complicated. A lot of messed up things running in your mind. A lot of tabs are open. You need to sort things out, guys. Everything will be fine. No issues. As we got the blessing over here, we got the card, right? Everything will be fine, overcoming all those negative thoughts. So, anything else? I'm getting rum also, but if take what resonates, guys. If people who are watching this pile are addicted to drinking or alcoholic habits or bad habits, make sure let go of that stuff because it is making you more negative. You're attracting more negative vibes through that, and mhm. Anything else? Yeah, do let me know in the comment section below if you get more words, and please help people who chose pile 2 as well. I'll be happy to read those messages, and yeah, let's check for what are the angel numbers that you get. Okay, so wait a minute. Okay, so guys, we have numbers here, and I'm gonna pull three numbers, and these are, got the 4, got the 9, wow, got the 7. Okay, filter your thoughts, guys, filter your thoughts, filter your thoughts. As I'm seeing 7, I genuinely get this vibe of telling you this. Filter your thoughts. And 9, ending of a cycle, ending of a bad karma or karmic lessons, ending, and justice is over here as well, right? You can see the justice, so there is something which is coming to an end. And we have 4 as in your spirit team is near you, and you're genuinely being guided, and somewhere you're seeing this pile too because of your spirit team, and somewhere they nudged you to check this. Okay, so yes, this was your reading pile 2. Please do like, share, and show some love, and comment below if you liked this and if it resonated or not, and form another words or stuff like that, so that you'll help other people as well. So bye. Hey, pile 3, those who chose pile 3, you have chosen this amazing and beautiful rose cards. It mostly speaks about love, love, and love. Taking care of yourself, loving yourself, and making things right in a relationship. So, yes. And also making things right with your own self. And it is beautiful. It is. pretty and beautiful. Okay, so also I feel like as I'm seeing this, I'm getting this vibe. Take what resonates, guys. This is a general reading. A lot of y'all are watching, and yeah, take what resonates. I feel like some people are being hard on themselves. Somewhere something ended and you want to move on. Something that you feel like moving on from. Something I feel, take what resonates, people. Some people might want to move on, and some people might, have started some journey, something you people have started, and somewhere you, it's not moving fluently, or even if it is moving, somewhere you're being hard on yourself. Okay, look, take what resonates. I'll tell you again, in a detailed way. See, what I'm sensing is some people have been okay, fine, I'll move on, and now they are moving on and starting their own journey. And somewhere it is hard for them because they are being hard on themselves. They are not feeling the pain to heal themselves. You need to feel and embrace that sadness, that pain, to heal yourself, to look into the roots, why it's causing you trouble, why it's causing you that much hurt. So only if you look into your pain and you know feel that pain, only then you'll recover from it. And this is where you're being hard on yourself by distracting yourself and not moving on. And other message, other this was the initial message, and the other message that I'm getting is some people have started the new career path, or new business, or new journey, or something new, or they have something new in their mind, and somewhat you feel like you are being hard on yourself, you're not enjoying it. You need to enjoy that. You need to enjoy whatever you are going through, whatever you're doing. Okay, yeah, somewhere you're being hard on yourself, you're not enjoying it, you're not feeling that you know feeling that passion, or that is the second message that I'm getting. And the third message, I feel like you have been doing something for a while now. It's been maybe years or something that you've been doing stuff, doing one certain thing, career path or relationship. You don't feel the spark in doing it. Somewhere you feel so bored, you feel so what do you say, not in the mood. And I also feel like this pile have a lot of people who have a lot of mood swings. Yes, I feel like you guys have a lot of mood swings, and yeah, coming back to the third one, some enjoyment is missing in your life. That playfulness, that innocence have been destroyed. It's not destroyed, somewhere it's hidden. So yeah, make sure you embrace your inner child more. So let's check pile 3. What are the cards you were drawn to? We have got the 8 of cups. Okay, 8 of cups. Appreciate what you have in your life. Do not look into what is missing in your life. Gratitude. Focus on gratitude, guys. Focus on what you have now. Live in the present. Focus in the present moment. Focus on what you have now. Do not admire which is not yours. Do not admire from far that you don't have this stuff. Do not. I feel this vibe, you guys are, what do you say? You guys are. You guys are having a lot of desires and wishes to fulfill, and but you're not looking the cups that you have now. You're walking the other way and desiring the other person's cup. You're comparing yourself to other people. So do not do that, and focus on what you have. Door once again. So somewhere your ideas and plans are not based upon what you want, but comparing that you don't have this, so I need it. Do not do that. stay classy, guys. Do not copy others, okay? Just don't get offended. Take what resonates, guys, you know. I'll just be pretty honest, and that's good, you know. Having desires and wishes to fulfill is good, but do not mostly be hard on yourself to fulfill that for future purpose. Live in the present, look what you have, look what resources you have, and make sure you make something which is more efficient and effective in your life in the present moment by the resources that you have. So, you know, make sure you do that. And yeah, we from the Egyptian card, you were drawn to the death card. Okay, so death card, yeah, as I said, I feel like you have moved on from some purpose of your life. You are trying to move on from something which no longer serves you. So you're moving on with something in your life, but somewhere you're being hard on yourself as well. Okay. So, but you don't fucking care about that other individual or the other opportunity which did not serve you really nice, and you have made up your mind, you know, to move on. But somewhere your mind is itself manipulating you to, you know, distract your pain. Feel it and embrace that pain so that you heal yourself. And yeah, anything else? I also so people take what resonates from that card. I got this, and another thing that I'm getting is like there is something new is gonna happen in your life, a new beginning, a new energy. I feel a new energy is gonna come in your life. Mostly, I feel a new energy is gonna come in your life somewhere. This energy is, you know, a wreck causing energy, very powerful for a good thing, good way. I feel it. Okay, somewhere now is the time you feel like I won't give up. I won't give up on myself. Now I'm gonna fight and fight until and unless I'm not served enough. Okay, I can see the fire in your eyes, and I feel like now you'll stand for yourself. Now is the time. Now you have started focusing upon yourself. That is really great. And you know, your spirit team is gonna guide you with some amazing, you know, I'm getting this page of pentacles. Some good offer is coming your way. Some good opportunity is knocking your way, which is gonna give you all the love and respect and, you know, stuff like that. So this is great. Next, after the death, we have this page of pentacles. Yes. And we have Queen of Swords. Okay, take what resonates. Some people, I feel like some woman in your life who is the most important woman, your spirit team is guiding you to listen to her the most. It might be your wife, it might be your mother, it might be your mother-in-law, it might be anyone, but somewhere she is advising you a really good, in a really good way, some great path. You know, she is guiding you somewhere with her advices. So listen to her, pay attention to her, because it's not her, it's your spirit team nudging her to tell you that somewhere, you know, through her your spirit team is conveying your ideas or advices, or you know, stuff like that. I Yeah, so pay attention to that. I can feel that vibe. And I also feel like as I'm seeing Queen of Swords, wow, such an amazing, powerful energy. I feel like most of you people are focusing upon themselves, and somewhere, you know, people have taken self care as an important thing. Somewhere people are going to gym, somewhere have some people have started dieting, and some people have, you know, taking care of their body, their face, and you know, I could feel that, you know, some people are now, you know, now they want to focus on, you know, bettering themselves, or you know, improving themselves, you know, to look good, and you know, somewhere like that. Something. mm, Anything else that I'm getting is I can see the eagle here in this card, and I can see the eagle flying over not over my head, but near, like near the window, and I feel like you're gonna go to greater heights, and you'll be alone all the way, and you won't have people who are gonna support you, but somewhere the lady figure in your life is gonna support you throughout, and pay attention to her, stay with her, and you're gonna achieve a lot of things. Mostly I feel you're gonna achieve a lot of control, power, authority. Okay, and I feel that. Wow, such a good energy, Paltry. Okay, so you need to focus upon not giving up, and don't be hard on yourself, or fight for what you want, and enjoy. Don't lose that innocence, and make sure you treat the lady figure in your life really well and listen to her at most. This is what you need to focus upon, and let's see what is the blessing that is coming in your way. I've got the God Goddess deck, and we'll see. We need to focus on blessings coming. Pile tree. Wow, we have got the Buddha card here, and wow, great. So the blessings that are gonna come to you is detachment from worldly temptations. As I said before, something you're comparing and you're desiring other people's, maybe it might be property or anything that you feel like you need it as well, and somewhere that detachment will be there, and somewhere you'll feel like focusing more on what you have, and yeah, focusing upon what you have more, and showing that gratitude, and this is great. Okay, amazing. Somewhere you'll be at peace. Things which you're not healing right now, somewhere through this video, you'll think about, you need to heal and take care of your own self. It's good. So, we'll see what are the words that you're gonna get, and wait a minute. What are the words? Okay, one fell down, and that is B. Okay, I'm getting B here. So as I'm seeing this B, I feel like bossy. Bossy. Okay, that is great. And some of you have this nature, of being bossy. Maybe take what resonates, guys. And some of the people, will be bossy now. Okay, so we have C, we have Y, we have D, we have C again, we have Z and T. We have Z, T, A, Q and B. So any word that you could make is I can make cat. Okay, cat is good. Cat is nice. I got this cat here, and I feel like you might see cats more in your life, and looking at this cat, I feel like somewhere in the future you will see a lot of cats, or maybe you guys have cats in your life, and stuff like that, or you might love cats. But I also feel like uh, cats are not bad luck, no. Somewhere I feel like in your life there will be a balance, you know there will be a balance in your life. mm, and embrace your ability and communicate what you feel. I feel like seeing at a cat, I feel like that, and you will balance. I feel like your intuition will go strong. As I'm seeing cat here, I feel like your intuition will grow strong, and somewhere some guidance, or some knowledge, or some wisdom, or some consciousness, or some truth will evolve, and it will be intriguing, and some mystery is gonna be solved. Something which is unseen is gonna happen, some sense of clarity you'll get in your life. Okay, so this I'm getting, and I'm getting another one, that is day. Day, wow. So have a good day. Okay, I'm being weird. So day, I feel like, day. Okay, so I feel like most of you guys are not sleeping at night and wasting the time in the daylight. Do not do that. Take what resonates, guys. And as a day is something, as a day is something which is, sunlight, and some happiness is gonna come in your life, I feel. Okay, and any other words that I could make? ATB is all the best. Okay. So yes, and anything else? Mm. I can see bat here. I can see bat. Okay, bat as in, I feel like the same thing, right? I also feel like as bat is here. Okay, pile 3 is a lot more surrounded by a lot of spiritual team and spiritual realm. I feel like that, and you know what I feel, some consciousness or inner awareness will come, and something, you might be dreaming a lot at night. Maybe you are the dreamers. Take what resonate, guys, and feel like a lot of intuition will go stronger. Okay, so wow, intriguing. Okay, so anything else? If you could form a word, you see if you have your name here or your initial or anything, uh, and if you could form a word, drop down in the comment section below. You might help other people also who have chosen pile 3, and I feel like, I love here, reading all those words. I love that, and yeah, comment down below. Now let's check your angel numbers, what you have. I feel like, I also feel like genuinely a new love is gonna approach in your life. People who are single, or people who are in a bad relationship or in a toxic relationship, somewhere this might end, and somewhere I feel like a new love is gonna come and embrace that. I feel like that, and let's see what number you get. Let's close my eyes. Getting this. We have 6. Okay. We have 6 again. Okay. We have 3. Wow. Okay. 3, as I'm seeing, 3 is a spiritual number. Mind, body, and spirit all aligning together. Somewhere healing. I feel pile 3 is gonna take a lot of care in their healing stuff and enlightenment. Okay. And as I'm seeing, there are 2 sixes here. Okay. I feel like, you know, something. One vibe I'm getting is, I said you all earlier, there is some lifestyle changes happening. It might be you going into a diet, or you might be working out, or it might be, taking care of yourself more now, and there is some change in your lifestyle happening. And anything else? Harmony is happening. Somewhere you will spend more time with your mom and dad and family, somewhere, yeah. As we got, the Buddha also speaks about harmony, right? Compassion and harmony. I feel like 6 is a number of, angel number of, attaining that harmony, that peacefulness, that that's great, you guys. I feel like you pile 3 might be in an evolvement of awakening into a spiritual journey. It might be that, and yeah, this is great. So yeah, pile 3, See again, if you add these 6 plus 6, 12 plus 3, 15, and 1 plus 5 is 6. Again, we are getting 6. Wow. So, yeah, some peace is gonna come. So, even I feel like some of you guys, I feel like somewhere you people are messed up, or the mind is in a mess, or something is happening. So, your angels and guides are like, make sure you are, as I'm getting 6, make sure you're peaceful, make sure you meditate, make sure you attain that wisdom, that knowledge, that light inside yourself through uh, mm, keeping yourself in harmony. Okay, so pile 3, this was your message and what you need to focus on. That is great, and make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if it resonated, and let me know what all are the words, and brainstorm, okay guys, and let me know what all the words that you could make, and I'll be happy to read it. And please share it to your friends or family. I'll be grateful, and let them also get their guidance. Okay guys, bye.